Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how you can make dot crosshair in Roblox Rivals. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, go to settings, then you need to go to crosshair. Make sure this option is disabled, and then scale, it's up to you. If you want to make it bigger, you can make it, but I like to stay on 35%. Then make sure it's statics. Basically, if not static, when you shoot, the crosshair will move. Then disable bars, and then enable dot crosshair here. Then you can change color. Also, you can change thickness. You can make it bigger if you want to, but I like to stay on 5. Then shape, make sure it's round. And also you can enable dot outline if you want to. But I don't really like this option here. And yeah, that's basically what we need to do here. So if we go to the range, let's select the gun. We can see that I have a dot crosshair. So yeah, that's basically what I wanted to show you. And if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care.